Hey guys, so I wanted to vlog today, but look at me, I just totally forgot. I am on my way to the airport, but I have to stop at Matthew's workplace because I forgot my wallet with him. So I need to stop by, go get it. My Uber is like 2 minutes away. Shoot, I need to find a mask. Oh my gosh. I made it. Oh my god, this is terrible. So I made it to Iowa. It is cold, of course, really cold, and I'm about to go get my rental. The time is 8:21 p.m. So yeah, I have reservation to pick up a car, and that's what I'm about to do. Oh, I need to grab my bag too, so let's go do that. It's good to be back within 2 weeks. Huh.
The next day.
I'm out here dancing.
She's getting content. The YouTuber.
No, she do that on purpose though. And that's the whole thing. She going to tour this water bottle talking about content.
All right, we're here. This is the venue. We're set it up. It looks pretty. What are you guys gonna say to the to be engaged couples? And Julia.
Congrats, we're so happy for you guys and may God bless.
Congratulations, Rose and Sam. I've been waiting for this day for a really long time. And yeah, for a really long time. And I'm just so happy for you two, and I wish you guys the best.
All right, sister of the group.
Welcome to the family now.
Hey!
Welcome, Rose. We love you. Welcome
Yes.
to the family.
Woo! So I'm using my friends to make money. I don't know which video will blow, but all the crazy.
I'll be there.
Hey guys, I am looking for white pants. I've done my makeup, and where the hell can I find white pants? I'm at Target, gone to Ross, and every damn store I know, and I can't find it. I'm about to go to the damn kids section or lingerie side. You guys, If you know what the fuck this is, comment down below. It's an underskirt, and I'm gonna wear it either way. And I am ready. Of course, everybody's late. As always. We all got wait. Everybody. Let's go.
In you, and I've learned to love me too. Never have I felt like you all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony.
We happen to be kind of like the feature, the feature of the event that they were putting on African Night. So we're performing.
Don't worry.
Okay, Deshae.